Hi, I'm reading from DMC. More and more people sell products and earn money on Shopee. Shopee is totally free and convenient platform where you can start your first online business. So today I will show you how to become a seller on Shopee. If you want to become a seller on Shopee, you have to download a Shopee apps and create an account on Shopee. You will have to add and verify your phone number and email to ensure account, and your relevant product listing is visible by a potential buyer. Okay, you can see this is a Shopee homepage, which is there are different product category and product listing. And then you just focus on right bottom corner here, which is me. Okay, once you register an account, you can become a buyer or seller. Okay, this is buy account. Since we just focus on how to become a seller on Shopee, okay, you just click on my shop on left top corner here, which is my shop. Okay, after you click my shop, it will redirect you to buyer account. Okay, you can see there is something different with buyer account. Okay, buyer you can add new products. Okay, seller, wallet, my income, shipping. Okay, so we just quickly just create our first products. Okay, click on add new products. Okay, from photos, right? Okay, just choose my product. My product is dinner dress. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, there's different filter which is provided by Shopee. You can just edit and add in some filter, right? So you can edit your brightness of your picture. Okay, I will remain original, right? So just click on save. Right, you can save more. You can add more photo from your photo library. Okay, and then click on OK. Right, and then followed by product name. My product is choreo style dinner dress. Okay, very simple. And then product descriptions. Okay, I already prepare my product descriptions a bit long. Okay, so select first and right and copy and go back to Shopee. Okay, so I will paste all the descriptions. Okay, for descriptions you can put shipping days, and the package, which is size and color, right? And then followed by product category. Just click. And then you can see there are different product category. Okay, based on my products, my product is woman clothing. Okay, woman clothing. Then click on dress. Okay, there is different dress, different type of dress, which is mini dress, and maxi dress. So I will just choose others. Okay, brand. Alright, my brand is choreo style, so no brand. I will just choose no brand. Okay, pattern is optional. Pattern, color, and style is optional. Okay, price. Price is 70 ringgit. And stock I will put standard quantity, which is 100. And variations, color. Right, I will remove all the default setting first. Right, colors. Okay, color is black. Okay, black and gray, and then blue. Okay, for example, okay, three different type of color, and then you can add image to color variations. Okay, black color, which is okay, this is black. Okay, and gray. Okay, then do. Okay, size already provide. Okay, S and L. I will add one more, which is XL. Okay, and then just click on next, which is set stock and price. Okay, right. Okay, there is three type of operation: black, gray, and blue. So all the product is standard price 70, and then stock also standard 100. Click on save. Okay, very simple and very easy. Okay, and then you focus on weight. Weight maybe 0.3. Okay, 0.3 kg. Click on save. Condition is exactly is new. Okay, unless your product is second hand. Okay, wholesale. Okay, we just focus on wholesale. Wholesale is if your customer order, okay, maybe more than 20 unit to 100, you can give wholesale price. Okay, wholesale price, which is, okay, selling price is 70, so wholesale price may be 60. Okay, this is example. Okay, packaging size. Okay, if your product is big, so you can put your product weight, length, and height. All right, so I just let it blank. Okay, shipping fee. Okay, is 8 ringgit. Okay, standard. So just click save. Okay, pre-order. All right, pre-order. Okay, once all is set, select whether this item is pre-order item, whereby you may need more time to ship. So you just click on the pre-order, so customer they can understand this is pre-order item. So day to ship. How many days you can ship this product? 7 days. All right. Default setting is 7 days. Okay. After that, you just focus here, publish product here, right? So this is last step, which is save on your right top corner. Save. Okay. You just wait a while. All right. Share your listing. You can share your product to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay. We just scroll down. Right. Okay. Listed successfully. Right. You just click on share. You can share to Facebook. If you don't want, just click on the cross. Okay, to get more views for your product and improve exposure, you can use the boost now function. You can boost up to 5 products every 4 hours, right? So very simple and easy to become a seller on Shopee.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us like and share. If you have yet to subscribe, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new videos. See you in the next video.